Odinaka Mama Uka. After maybe in a kuna na Blord na celebrate. Show reha. Neti we won. Na ego tahazisi we won and eku. Na epe chabo yipe. And na epe mecha pechi yipe na Blord ka ye lose. But na epe chabo yipe and neti we won na yipe bibo happy. I wish na mwe VDM na ndo otue na nda ala doko ono na-enye advice na-ekwugheri over a mere remand order and not conviction. I wish na people like you put enlighten all VDM agwa. There is no need of celebrating now because now can a long legal battle awaiting them. I wish you need had that advice. As when you do learn it. But the fact that Nunu celebrated so much, oh God, remanded the Blord. What makes you think that na Blord Nando to ye I celebrate but so much after her secured bail? Since Nunu Jebulu the whole attention, Tina detention of the Ewotanisia. Chef Ziena the real Ibe Kadado, Nako Bodubinsiako, Nana Mecha Zifa, ka 1 year, ka 2 years, ka 3 years. Na can be for example. Living sumu woma na hey bakwa na social media tata afro mebe on e bakwa na case area millions this one kedu ife crime or committee na ebo no na akpo ye se court juko se court jigarese. That is a typical example of nebe jekoke gudo. This detention and the bail ka wuri nya akwo bodu mai akwo o keta ka akwo mai akwo. But how I wish me enlightening these people bobo uneni dozi de celebrate detention will be Lord because ni ba ka bi de bohone bidonu eba na eje ka egudo mana imechiri onu na enye advice upon advice inye gidozi advice against ifichelu a grant izie bell isizie nye celebrate na isizie ndeduro ya to him follow was here Blord FC isizie ha celebrate na whatever no nwonu ama mi fe problem unu ni ne wu mokolobia no na Igbo do against Blord jealousy who problem unu ni ne Blord is anything and everything unu na ekpekpele no wa ko no wolo. Blord is everything and anything unu na ekpekpele no wa ewo. All in one package, maybe that guy, you know. If for a young Igbo guy, a young Obali Igbo, ya de baby no work, all wolo, if any now, in one package. Kabilo do. So, I understand that the Kunu name more beautiful. I understand that the Kunu name more beautiful. Many of you name, why are you a team mother na billboard? Why are you a team mother na build? A football many of you kuloku. Makonye G. VDM when they promote business in here. Why are you people not saying anything? Consider Nahana Bahofu, Nangajo Wedisha, Onya Messi Beme. Only Munu Yaku Maka, if you should already go, not to the billboard, billboard. Tell me the difference between need the amount to Ihum na billboard. Will they promote business? A cut of home demo. Nibia Nambia one video. Will you tina page him without your permission? Will you promote my own business? When I cut on you, go home na billboard. AI generated photos, by the way, but let court decide. It is na billboard. When they promote your own business, I mean, it is na billboard. When they promote my own business, go my video. Even now advertising my own business. Will you see na your own page? Will you promote your own business? When I cut on my own business. Monayo, Telonye Kadu more guilty. You can claim picture to be anything. What of video? What of videos? Not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, not 5 times. How many times go to Danalo? Picture Blord on a page here. What do you not cut to? All got to the point of for the name ha na-ekwu okwu ejebuko ticket. Na amaghị ife. Anybody can be Martin Vincent Ose. Let me tell you, anybody can be Martin Vincent Ose. Ikpe na court ebe ọsọ. Mana ụfọdụ n'ime ụlọ amaghị unche na ikpe court ka eje pụta. Ilu court ifu na ọhụrụ isi a ọhọmpido ọnụ a na-agba na Facebook. Ilu ebe ahụ, it is another word on its own. It is fact over ife niile ọnụ na-ekwu eri. And that is the fact. Can I go? Ije wolu video mu. It in a page you without my permission. You want to promote all your own business. Want to introduce all your new business. A cut of my own. You want to say picture. Tina a billboard. We make exactly the same thing in email. Mana ejo de we cut on you. You anyway. Why I am a business advert will need to go down and up wala. And up wala. E assign no Blord. E go neki we iju sign no Blord no wa. Iju wolu video ye waiting a page you. We promote your own business. We flag up your own business. Ogwaragonolo ambassadorship. Can you even sign him as an ambassador? I'm asking you. Erase at this point. You will not hear any of them speak. They don't want to. They are intentionally avoiding that part that had to do with the VDM. They are only focusing on that part that has to do with the Blord. Because no, a successful Igbo man bring down syndrome and tribalism. Tell me, can you focus on tribalism with Ifa? It has nothing to do with that. The fact that many of you are jealous of that young man because that young man is everything you are praying wa. Okay, and ụfọdụ n'ime ndị do go advance na age hana ma Blord na papa Blord wo Blord wo everything unu chọrọ ka nwa unu wụrụ n'ụwa. You got to go. Anyukwu ngo magistrate here bibe what is the need celebrating? He cannot celebrate yana ndị otu mana unu nwa nwere ike celebrate na-enye advice upon advice na-enye suggestion upon suggestion because na detain ori which is not the actual conviction. I wish you need educated in the mmadụ then ndị anyukwu ona afụ bo ife all etu aka isi wepụta sị Blord ọ na flash moto ogo moto flash ya mana igo GLE Blord gbalụ more than 6 years ago igorie wuri na celebrate ebe niile iji emekata video wuri shoot kata video ọdụ ka ye ji egbo na mma we napụ the moto mana moto Blord gbalụ more than how many years ago, but you are proud of it. Iguno itie na Facebook wuri eme ever moto niile igo. I know the whole moto niile na agba. Yes, mgbe ngo moto m ntiri na Facebook say congratulations, people congratulate him na mugo moto. I've never done that. Mani name, it is your choice. Allow him to do his own. It is his choice. We have choices to things we do in this life. Mano na yekweta. Mano because of na nwata pakari ibe na nkasi na akpari na ajofia nyanwa na eme na nnukwu ngo na emekwa na level ebe ya eme. O nwekwara ndị nke ahụ na-eme na intimidate. In case if you don't know, unu egusi na anya ọkụ. Ekwuru nyasi any Igbo man do against Blord na ikpe a na-ekpe, you are jealous. Iwu anya anyukwu ka ewu. Iwu onye anyukwu and onye kaga akagu. There's nothing you can do about it. All of hand nwere ike condemn Blord, but you cannot condemn VDM for first of all doing each Blord oku first by iji video ye ebe or advertise the product here. Wori eje na page ye cut us here we advertise the product nke. If for anything here we na akori aka no na-eme e was a picture deti na billboard e mapụta be bia kuzira ilo chukwu ya kpunu ni n'ọkụ ndị anyukwu ndị amusu unafu bo dife unu yesi etu na-ene that guy ana fly higher onye gbara ọsọ gbawa ọsọ ife na-achụ ya ọsọ wụ na ọma hụ na Blord enwere ike institute case nke ya against him, pick it up onya ka o ji wee gbafelu ka o wee nọrọ ebe ahụ nọ wee ghọtacha steps Blord chọrọ itake. O chere ya amahụ. Share this video.